class 2. Let me continue chapter 1, computer and electronic device. This is part 2 video. In part 1 you have learnt about an electronic device. Today you will learn about IPO cycle. All machines follow a cycle known as IPO cycle. I stands for input, P stands for process, O stands for output. What is called input? What we give to a machine is called input. Once again, what is called input? What we give to a machine is called input. What is called process? Everything that the machine does to the input is called process. Everything that the machine does to the input is called process. What is called output? Finally, what we get from the machine is called output. Let us take some examples. Generally, all machines follow these three steps: input, process, output. What we give to a machine is called input. Everything that the machine does to the input is called process. Finally, what we get from the machine is called output. When we talk about computers work in simple principle: input, process and output. We give input with the help of mouse or keyboard. It is processed in CPU. Finally, we get output on monitor. Let's talk few examples from your daily life. First example, suppose you want to make toast. So in input we give bread. It is processed in toaster machine, and in output we get toasted bread. Now let us take example number 2. Suppose you are having a new pencil. That will be input. Then we have processed it with the sharpener machine. Then in output we get sharp pencil. Now you can write with the help of sharp pencil. Example 3. In input we give dirty clothes. It is processed in washing machine by cleaning and washing the dirty clothes. In output we get clean clothes. Example 4. Input is a piece of clothes. It is processed with the help of a stitching machine. Finally we get pant or jeans as output. The computer also follow IPO cycle. Let us consider this example. Amit asked the computer's calculator to add 5 and 6. The computer's CPU does the calculation. Amit got the answer 11 on the screen. In this case, what did Amit give to the computer? Add 5 and 6. Here data is 5 and 6. Instruction is to add. What is data? Data is the text or numbers that we give to the computer. It can be any text or numbers. What is called instruction? Instruction are the commands that we give to the computer, such as add, subtract. In this, input given to the computer are data and instruction. The computer processes the data according to the instruction we give to it. Finally, Amit got the answer 11. This was output. Now, let us complete the table given in page 12. Here it is input, process, output. Data is given 10 and 10. Instruction is to subtract. Let us process it. 10 minus 10. Output is 0. Here data is given 2 and 2. Instruction is to add. Add 2 plus 2. We will get output 4. Here data is 5 and 7. Instruction is to add. Add 5 and 7. We will get output 12. Sometimes we give many instructions to a computer. A set of instructions is called a program. Thank you. Hope you have understood.